Hello, all. Welcome to the day 17 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. The question goes like this: A, B, C, D are the vertices of a tetrahedron where A is given by 1, 1, 1, B is equal to 2, 1, 3, C is equal to 3, 2, 2, and D is equal to 3, 3, 4. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First subdivision, find the position vector of AB. AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector, which is 2i plus j plus 3k minus I plus j plus k, which is equal to I plus 2k. Subdivision 2. Find the position vector of AC. AC vector is equal to OC vector minus OA vector. OC vector is 3i plus 2j plus 2k minus I plus j plus k, which is 2i plus j plus k. Third subdivision, find the position vector of AD vector. AD vector is equal to OD vector minus OA vector. OD is 3i plus 3j plus 4k minus I plus j plus k, which is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Subdivision 4. Determine the area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half times magnitude of AB cross AC. Let's figure out AB cross AC, which is equal to, let's write the coefficients of I, J and K. For AB it is 1, 0, 2, and for AC it is 2, 1, 1. I times 0 minus 2 minus j times 1 minus 4 plus k times 1 minus 0 is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. Area is equal to half times magnitude of this 2i plus 3j plus k, which gives half root of minus 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square, which is half times root 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is root 14 by 2 square units. Subdivision 5. Find the value of AB dot CD. So let's find out CD vector first. CD vector is equal to OD vector minus OC vector. 3i plus 3j plus 4k minus 3i plus 2j plus 2k, which is j plus 2k. AB vector dot CD vector is equal to AB is I plus 2k and CD is J plus 2k, which is 1 times 0 plus 0 times 1 plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.